Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energy starting from 22nd till 28th of November 2021. In this video, we'll be looking at your energy starting from past, present and future. And we will also check out your what's going on in your mind, your heart, your person's energies towards you. We are going to check all of that. So first card is the Tower. Oopsie. Okay, so let's see. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, let's see what's there for my Capricorns. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, 22nd till 28th of November 2021. At the back of the deck, we have the Ten of Wands. This involves some pressure, some tensions going around you, something which is very much loaded. Your heart is feeling heavy at this present time. Something is really not good. Something is not going good in your life. Things are becoming really heavy and heavy every time. And you want to release a lot of stuff, whatever is there, whatever is making you feel so bad. You want to release all that stuff from your head. You want to just live a very simple life. Your overall situation, it tells us about what do you need to understand. The Tower with the issue as a Nine of Pentacles. It feels like for some of you, as my beautiful Capricorns, for some of you, you are not able to really give up, give too much in your work or in your job. And this is why you are feeling that pressure inside you. For some of you, it could be that level of independence, you know, when we want to be independent and we are not able to because of some or the other reasons in life. That is the situation at present. You are not able to invest or put more energies, whatever energies are required to put into a situation. It could be a relationship, it could be anything. You are not able to put that much energies into that thing. In your heart, it's the King of Swords. You are feeling very cold towards some people, towards yourself sometimes as well. But yes, there are some cold energies towards some other people, towards a situation, towards yourself. It can be anything. In the past, we have the Death energy. So it was like some kind of ties which were cut off in the past. And because of that rebirth, which we see, you know, that transformation, this transformation actually happened, or somewhere a little bit of a transformation is still needed. A little bit of going on energy is still required. You have ended some kind of a past, okay? But with that past, the energies have never been ended. There is still some sparks left of that past. In the mind, we have the Hanged Man. So you are still hanging in that past. You are still not able to cut off the cords with that past, whatever happened. There is still a need to cut off, cut the cords, whatever that is needed. There is still need to cut down. Because in the coming future, we have the Fool. We have you really need to go on, you know. There is a need for new beginnings in life. But this beginning, you know, this Fool energy, you will not be able to see this Fool, this new beginnings, until and unless you will cut off the cords between the past and the person or whatever the situation was. You have to just end that if you want to start a new beginning. You cannot go back to the same direction where you were, you know, where the things went wrong. You cannot go back. What are the actions you are taking? You are being really generous to the universe. You are being generous to people. You are kind. You are the giver. So this is the reason why things happen with you, because you are the one who gives a lot, and the person with whom you are involved with, they are not. The person in front of you, how are they feeling with the Page of Pentacles? Somebody is not ready to give you commitment, you know. It's like they are being very slow with you. Things are going slow, things are going steady, but still when you ask for commitment from someone, or things are going, the people around you, this is not just one person's energy. For the love situation, I'm telling about the other person's mindset. But if you are involved with not with the love person, so it's like people around you are not so much of a giver the way you are. They are thinking, they are really, when we think a lot before doing anything, so that is what you are surrounded with. Your message from the universe is the Chariot. You need to move on, you need to just accept some things, okay? And universe is telling you just keep heading forward, no need to look backward now. The overall outcome is the Four of Swords. This situation with the Four of Swords is kind of telling me that your energies are required for more healing, okay? It's like you need to take some rest, you need to take some pause. The outcome will only come if you will actually work in the present, okay? Only then you will receive the ultimate outcome which you require, because right now you are being like this, see, so much of hard work and pressure, but after some the outcome is coming this. Things will come into rest, things will come to pause, but are you doing anything for that? Are you? Let's clarify. Okay, Capricorns. Ten of Wands. Why the Ten of Wands energies are here? Eight of Swords. Yeah. The freedom. You are not able to be free. It's like something or the other is keeping your mind busy. You're always in that situation where you are doing something or the other, getting involved with someone or the other. It's always something in the mind. It's like you are not able to give your time peace. Give your mind rest, give your mind peace. It's always occupied with some of the other things in life. Ten of Pentacles. See, you are required to be stable. You are required to show your full energies into your pentacles, into your money, into your work, into some relationship. But because of the second thoughts, because of the doubts which you are getting in your relationship or in your other situation in life, you're not getting that thing, you are not able to think clear about that situation because of so much of second thoughts or so much of doubts. What do you need to understand with the Tower energy? Knight of Wands and the King of Swords. You need to understand that some things are coming towards an end, okay? There is an ending in the situation at present. You need to cut the cord with that thing which was in the past only. So that means that there is a sudden change in the environment. All of a sudden there is shaking in the environment around you. And you have to understand that it has been ended. You cannot keep on continuing on the same situation where you know that it's not going to work out. Nine of Pentacles. Justice. So there could be some injustice also involved in your situation where you were asking the justice from the universe but you didn't get any justice. You were more as of the bad guy or the bad girl of the situation, and it looked like everything just ended all of a sudden. There could be marriage also involved in the situation which was ended in the past, and still you are single. Being single energy, if you are not happy, because I'm not getting some person you are involved with, I'm getting some single energies today. Just take as it resonates, okay? With the Five of Cups, there are some regrets also. I feel that this could be a person as well. If not you, if you are not getting this energies for yourself, it could be a person also. So that is why just take as it resonates. So somebody who has done wrong to you in the past is actually regretting somewhere. But the problem is that both of your energies are feeling the same. There are endings in both of your cases, but there's no communication with this person. Things have been ended, but regrets and being void from inside is still there. King of Swords energy in the heart. See, oh my god. Three of Swords with the King of Swords. Yeah. Somebody cut your heart to such an extent, you know, they have hurt you to such an extent that it's really hard for you to recover from that situation. Death energy, yeah. This is something big, something big. Two of Swords. What else? Four of Pentacles. You are not ready to let go of this person. This person, although they were confused because of you, they were confused whether to continue with you or not, but you were not letting them go. It was really hard for you to let them go. You were literally like, you know, let's just give one more chance to our relationship. Let's just sit and watch what will happen. But it was like, you know, no way, I am going to move on, the other person said. The Hanged Man energy in your mind. But why are you hanging on? See, you want to move on, I feel, but still you are hanging on. Either you are looking the situation in a different perspective, because you feel that whatever was shown in front of you was exactly not the situation. There was something which was hidden and you want to know the truth of that situation. So that is the reason it's really hard for you to move on from that thing. Emperor. See, you want to take charge of some situation of the past. You want to find out the truth, because there are some lies and trickeries in the situation. You want to find it out. The Fool energy in the future. What does it denotes? The Strength. What else do we have? Death. Okay. So it tells us that only and only you will be able to find, which I already told you, you will be able to find this new direction in life if you will accept the endings, what happened in the past, or what are ending, things which are ending right now. You have to end them and you have to move on with something better, with something new. You might be taking some risks in life, but it will be worth it, okay? Because of the lack of confidence which you have, the confidence also is, you are likely to gain the confidence in the coming future. Six of Pentacles for my Capricorns in their actions for my Capricorns. Okay, so this is a very contradictory message which I'm getting. So this is the vibe of Six of Pentacles with the Five of Wands. I feel that at one time when you are behaving very kind and generous to people, at the same time you become very much competitive in some situation, or some kind of you get involved in some kind of fights, arguments, because your energies are really flickering right now. You know, the energy fluctuation is going on inside you. Might be dealing with a Taurus over here, but it looks like the stability which you need inside yourself is not maintaining. You want to maintain it. You want to do good to the world. You want to do good to the universe, but at the same time you just enter into some kind of fight or arguments, or some, you know, which don't even matter, but you enter into them somehow, and this is why your mental peace is you are not able to get that mental peace inside you. Page of Pentacles for my Capricorns. What are the messages of your person towards you? Ace of Swords. Three of Cups. I think that they are really clear about themselves. They are clear that they are not able to give you any commitment, or the people around you, they know, or they are clear about their intentions towards you. It's your energies which are making yourself confused, Capricorn. Okay, so this can be vice versa also. So this can be your person where I am saying you. Okay, so it can be a person's energy, so take as it resonates. So with the Three of Cups, I feel that they are at a place where they are really happy, Capricorns, and there is like, they have regrets, they have some sadness in their lives, but at the same time they are really clear. They were clear about their intentions in the past, and they did it because they were thinking of doing that. Yeah. The Chariot energy as the message from the universe. Four of Cups. So you really need to accept the offers or other work issues which are coming up. So acceptance is the key which is coming up for you. 6 of Swords with the 9 of Swords. You cannot let the anxiety and depression enter in your life because of some missed opportunities which have happened in the past. You might have missed some hints in your life. You might have missed some good opportunities in the past, but that is okay. Universe is telling you to move on, go find the calmer waters and go towards the calmer waters, go towards something which really is good for you rather than thinking about the past situations. 4 of Swords. I really feel that you are still thinking a lot. Your thought process is big right now. You're not able to talk too much to your people, but you are thinking too much. 4 of Swords with the Chariot. You do not have to think about anything. Knight of Pentacles. The more you will think, the more you will become anxious, and the more anxiety and depression will join you. So it's better to move on. I won't suggest you that to be this person with the Knight of Pentacles and with the 4 of Swords. No, this is not you. You have to be like this. You have to be the Chariot, Capricorn. You have to become the person who has to move on. Being a Capricorn, Earth sign, it's really hard for you to move on from a situation. I get it. But at some point of time, you have to continue, right? Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.